Hello, kind regards. My name is Fabian Andrés Pantoja. This is the course Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. Step 3. Identify Technology Value. My group number is 76. My tutor Juan Miguel Olave. This is my brainstorm diagram. The problem: little knowledge of valuation methods by technology managers in charge of the process. This is the cause. Young people lack of experience. Consequence: error in the sale. Cause: input costs are not known. Cause: little information on the market for a new technology. Consequence: cost method might be incomplete. Cause: without a knowledge of calculation in the income method. Consequence: technology has no fixed value. Cause: no valuation method is studied. Consequence: not all costs are recorded. Recommendations. My main recommendation is that as technology managers, it is very important to be clear about technology valuation methods, since it is only way to really know the value of the technology that is placed on the market or that is used in one's own company. Recommendation. There are many experts on the subject of technological valuation who can help us define the true value of our creation so as not to make mistakes in market. These experts handle very well all the methods used to define the value of a technology according to its importance, use, and if it's an innovative technology. This is the bibliographic reference. Thank you very much.